My name is Peter Mercouris. I'm the principal and founder of AISM, Australian Investigation Security Management. For about 18 years I was in the New South Wales Police. So I was lucky enough to make the rank of Detective Sergeant. The tail end of my career was at State Crime Command, worked on Middle East and organised crime, worked in conjunction with the Homicide Squad, and the last section that I worked at was at robbery and serious crime on armed robberies. AISM is a three-tiered company which covers off on legal support, legal investigations, we have security, and we have a newly introduced technology sub-department. Our organisation is policy driven, there's a direction, the staff belong to our company, and therefore if you do business with us, you know who you're actually doing business with. What we do, we attempt to do ethically, with integrity. The staff that we utilise are not simply viewed as staff, they're part of our team, they're experienced, and they want to be there. There's no place here for individuals. There are individual approaches to dealing with things, but overall everyone needs to work as a team to achieve what we look at is, are you a team player and can you play within our team? So we've got the investigation section which provides investigative services and legal support. I had to deal with matters over in Ireland, over in the United States, New Zealand. So the borders, well, they just melt away. Well, the examples of what we've been involved in, conducted investigations for councils in regards to bullying and harassing within the workplace. We also do examination hearings for solicitors, so that saves the solicitor having to go to the local court. We've been retained by solicitors for murder investigations, assisting the defence in sifting through exhibits, crime scenes, looking at their witness statements, identifying any issues, any other evidence that we could possibly look at or that has been tainted, to assist the legal team in the representation of their particular client. We also have specialists that we have on our books, whether it's blood splatter experts. We recently had an engineer that had to look at a motor vehicle accident and the load of a truck, putting together models, etc., to put before the court to show how this accident could have occurred. We do have a new technology section. Although we've had the security manpower side and we've had that operating for 12 years successfully, technology is obviously at the forefront of that. And what we've basically been looking at is not so much just adopting previous business models in CCTV and so on, but we're looking at groundbreaking software for artificial intelligence, facial recognition, for the security of your computer systems, networks and so on. So we're looking at very specialised aspects of technology and their application. There's no one particular security solution for a client that we can say you can apply across the board. Each client has specific needs and specific requirements. Each solution has to be tailored to those specific needs and requirements. What we do is we talk to the client, we find out exactly what they need, and then the package that we put together is exactly that. We've had outdoor events that we've run where we've had 30,000 people come through the doors. That's the Greek Festival, just run here in Parramatta City. We run the Mossvale Show, which is a historic show which has run for over 180 years. We've had interaction with running events for Pink at the Sydney Entertainment Centre. We run venues such as pubs, clubs, which also have their own legislative requirements and needs. But we also have now hotels, your 4- or 5-star hotels, where we provide, again, tailored solutions for those particular venues.